In this video, I will show you how to set custom alarm on laptop in Windows 11. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for helpful resources, bonus tips, and tools we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open your PC, and on the Windows Start menu, go ahead and search for alarm or clock. So simply enter that words into the Windows Start menu. So the application that will pop up on the result would be the application that you'll use to be able to set up an alarm on your laptop. So open that app, and then in here, head over into the alarm section. Now go ahead and create a new alarm. You can also edit alarms if you already have one. So you can set the time. You can name the alarm and then set if it is a repeating alarm. You can also set the days where you have this alarm turned on, the song for this alarm, and so much more. So you can go ahead and simply click on that save button once you have set that up. And as you can see at the bottom of this page, you'll find that the alarms will sound only when your PC is awake, which means that if your PC is off, this alarm won't play during the time that you've set. And that's basically how you can set custom alarms in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.